perfect remedy for keratosis pilaris. Ingredients: raisins, onion, lemon, honey. When it comes for keratosis pilaris, raisins offers several benefits. Improved skin condition. Raisins contain nutrients like vitamins A and E, which can contribute to improved skin health. While there is no specific evidence linking raisins to keratosis pilaris, the vitamins and antioxidants found in raisins may help nourish the skin, potentially reducing symptoms and promoting smoother skin texture in conditions like keratosis pilaris. When it comes for keratosis pilaris, onion offers several benefits. Reduced inflammation. Onions possess anti-inflammatory properties that may help alleviate symptoms associated with keratosis pilaris. While there is no direct evidence linking onions to this skin condition, their anti-inflammatory effects could potentially reduce redness, swelling, and irritation, promoting a calmer and smoother appearance of the affected skin. Drink 1 glass before bed, but do not forget about contraindications. Be sure to consult your doctor before use.